Alam mo ba kung bakit sobrang effective ang social ads? Kasi, lumalabas sila sa feeds ng tao kung saan sila mismo active everyday. Meta, TikTok, LinkedIn. Hi, I'm Ferlin. Welcome to Ad Alchemy. I'll help you grow your business and your skills through paid media. Ang social ads ay yung mga ads na nakikita natin habang nag-i-scroll sa Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at LinkedIn. Unlike search na naghihintay ng query, social ads put your brand directly in front of people kahit hindi pa sila actively nagsa-search. Why are they powerful? Una, precise targeting. You can reach people based on their interests, demographics, at behaviors. Pangalawa, engagement. Since lumalabas sila sa feeds, people can like, share, and comment, building trust and interaction. Pangatlo, creative storytelling. Social ads let you use images, carousels, and videos to connect emotionally with your audience. Kaya kung gusto mong makipag-connect sa tao kung saan sila active, social ads ang pinaka-direct na paraan. Sa susunod na videos, i-explain ko kung paano ka makakapili ng tamang format sa social ads. Carousel, video, o lead form. Depende sa goal mo. From BPO to paid media executive, this is Ad Alchemy by Ferlin. Let's go smarter with ads.